want to know how you can simply go ahead and download all Apple Music songs at once, well, you can't directly download your entire Apple Music library with one tap, but the best method is going to be by creating a smart playlist on your computer to gather all songs and then downloading that playlist on your iPhone or iPad for a near one-click download. So if you're wondering how you can go ahead and do that, I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you real quick. So you can simply go ahead and open your Apple Music. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. All right, now once you've done that, make sure that you've logged in into your account. And then you can simply go ahead and head into the store and then get all the music that you want to go ahead and listen to, purchase all of those, and then head to playlist and then create a playlist right over here. And once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and download it from your phone. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.